These rice rolls, called in Vietnamese Banh Cuon, the traditional technique for baking the batter is steam. It consists of pouring the batter on the stretched cloth heated by boiling water. The modern technique, the one I propose here, is to use a non-stick pan. Here are the ingredients for 12 rolls. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Soak the mushrooms for 1 hour. Cut the bamboo shoots into small cubes. Boil them in water for 10 minutes. Drain them. Drain the mushrooms. Rinse them. Remove their foot. Chop them. Finely mince the onion. Crush the garlic cloves. Peel them, chop them. Put 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan heated over high heat. When the oil is hot, put the onion and the garlic. Stir for 1 minute. Add the ground pork and briefly stir. Then add half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Stir from time to time for 3 minutes. Add the bamboo shoots. Stir for 2 minutes. Finally add the mushrooms. Then stir another 2 minutes. The filling is ready. Now prepare the fried shallots. Finely mince them. Put 20 centiliters of oil in a pan heated over medium heat. When the oil is hot, put the shallots. Stir from time to time until they are golden. Remove them from the oil. To prepare the batter, put in a mixing bowl the rice flour, the tapioca starch, half teaspoon of salt. Whisk it together. Then add first half liter of water. Combine all together. Then add the other half liter of water. Add the 5 centiliters of oil. To make the first cake, lightly oil the pan. Heat it over medium heat. When the pan is hot, pour a ladle of butter. Quickly spread it. Then immediately cover the pan with a lid. Cook the cake on one side for 1 minute. Flip the pan over the board. Mix the batter between each cake. While the next cake is cooking, garnish the first one. Put 1 tablespoon of filling in the center. Fold over each of the sides. Fold the ends towards the center. The rice rolls are ready. Sprinkle the rolls with the fried shallots, the spring rolls dipping sauce. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.